Hey guys, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. Today I will be showing you how I made these crochet ombre earrings. For today's tutorial I will be using 3 shades of anchor cotton threads, and I think this is size 20. This is the smallest size of thread they have. A 1mm crochet hook, an embroidery needle, some pliers, pair of scissors, earring hooks, plastic beads, and some hot glue. We will start by making the flowers. So I am first using my dark shade of blue. Make a magic circle. Now I consider that first knot as a chain 1, so chain 2. So this will count as a chain 3. Now make 2 double crochets into the magic circle. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic circle. We have just completed our first petal, so just go ahead and make 4 more petals just like this. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch. After you are done making your 5 petals, pull on your thread to close the magic circle. Cut your working thread. Now, with the help of an embroidery needle, we'll insert a bead right into the center. Turn your flower around, make a knot. Now cut that off very close. So go ahead and make as many flowers as you want for your earrings. When you're done making your flowers, just place them in the manner how you would like them to be arranged. I'm going to take my middle flower, apply some glue right at the top edge. Take my topmost flower and place it right on top. Similarly, I'll take my bottommost flower apply some hot glue at the very top edge. And glue it on. Alternately, you can even sew it on using threads. Once the flowers have been arranged in place, it's now time to add the earring hooks. We'll take our pliers, open it up, insert onto the topmost part of our flower, and close it back off. And our ombre earrings are complete. You can really have fun with the colors. You can even add some more beads at the very bottom. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more.